In this video, we will learn how to change default setting for new workbook in Excel sheet. So let's start. Go to the File tab, click on the More and click on the Options. And here you can see in General have an option when creating new workbook. You can set the default settings some here. First setting, use these as the default font. Here you can change to your font those you want default. Font size you can change here. Default view for new sheets, normal view. If you want to change, click on this arrow. Page break view, page layout view. I set here the normal view. Include these many sheets. If you want to set in one sheet when you click on it, and if you want to set in a two sheet when you open the new workbook. Okay, so I set here the two sheet with the same font. Here I set, if you want to change you can change it. So I change here and click on OK. Please close and restart the Excel so that font changes can be take effects. Okay, so I just close it and save this Excel. And when I control and this new workbook I added here, you can see here two sheet in added in this Excel sheet. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.